Hello everyone, welcome yet another video of data science versus full stack development. I am Somu from Board Infinity, and in this particular video we will be learning what exactly a data scientist is and what exactly is a full stack web development is. Okay, so let us start with full stack web development. Basically, full stack web developer is a website developer who develops the entire websites, which includes your front end as well as back end. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. सो समझिए कि आपको भूख लगा है एंड आपको खाना ऑर्डर करना है. सो वॉट एवर वॉट यू विल बी डूइंग, यू विल बी लुकिंग फॉर वेरियस काइंड ऑफ फूड डिलीवरी ऑप्शंस, आउट ऑफ विच देयर इज अ स्विगी. सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्विगी. स्विगी में क्या होता है कि आपको जो भी खाना खाना है, आपको जो भी फूड ऑप्शंस आपको चाहिए, वो सारे आपके स्क्रीन पे विजिबल होते हैं ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन. सो यू कैन सी एन नंबर ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स विद एन नंबर ऑफ डिशेज. तो जो भी चीज़ें आप अपने सामने अपने मोबाइल फोन पे देख रहे हो, दैट ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट. Once you have clicked on that order and you are ready to place that particular order, देन वहां से आपके बैकएंड का काम स्टार्ट होता है, जहां पर आप पेमेंट वाला पार्ट जो भी आपने पेमेंट किया हुआ है टिल द टाइम जब तक आपका डिलीवरी बॉय आपका खाना लेकर आ रहा है, वो सारा ट्रैकिंग एंड दिस इंटायर लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ट्रैकिंग टू पेमेंट टू अगेन गोइंग टू द डिलीवरी पर्सन, कनेक्टिंग विद चैट सपोर्ट, दिस ऑल इंटरफेस कम्स अंडर द बैकएंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्विगी. Now let us understand what exactly data scientist is. So data scientists are the analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. In short, people who can play with your data and can manipulate it according to your preferences is known as a data scientist. Now let us understand this also with the help of an example. वापस से स्विगी के पास जाते हैं, समझते हैं कि भाई स्विगी में डेटा साइंटिस्ट क्या कर रहा होगा. So, जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि आपके लेट्स से आपने काफ़ी सारे ऑर्डर्स प्लेस किए हुए हैं, देन यू विल सी कि रीसेंट ऑर्डर्स आपका किस चीज़ का है. सो लेट्स से कि अगर आपने 2 हफ्ते पहले बिरयानी ऑर्डर किया है एंड नाउ आफ्टर 2 वीक्स यू आर कमिंग बैक टू स्विगी एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर वेरियस काइंड ऑफ फूड ऑप्शंस, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू विल सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू विल बी बिरयानी. दैट्स व्हाट डेटा साइंटिस्ट इज डूइंग. वॉट एवर ही इज डूइंग, ही इज जस्ट कोलेक्टिंग योर डेटा, finding the trends, doing certain analysis and then giving you the recommendations. So that's what a data scientist journey looks like. So in short, with the help of a Swiggy example, what we have understood कि full stack development का रोल क्या है and data scientist का रोल क्या है. वो दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस है, but they can also work on the similar kind of products. That's what Swiggy is in fact doing. Now let us understand कि what are the skill sets required for becoming a full stack developer. So as I mentioned initially that full stack developer is a combination of front end development and back end development. Now in front end development it's pretty easy. You should be good with JavaScript, you should know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS. You should be good with React or Angular or Vue.js. There are multiple kind of front end frameworks. I personally prefer React as because it is trending nowadays in the industry. Now, for becoming a backend developer, you should be good with again JavaScript. You should be good with databases like MongoDB, MySQL, Cassandra, Kafka, these all kind of a thing. But my personal preference is MongoDB is because it is pretty viable in the nature and currently trending in the industry as well. Now, for going for the hardcore backend architecture, you should be good with Node.js, Express.js, JPA, Hibernate, these kind of a thing. If you are primarily focusing on JavaScript development, then you should be good with Node.js, Express.js. That's pretty much it for the backend front. Now, including all of these tech stack, it becomes a full stack web development. So let us summarize what exactly tech stack which we have discussed. You should be good with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React, Node.js, MongoDB. This is my personal bucket list, or you can see technical stack for becoming a full stack web development. So now let us understand what are the different kind of technical stack which is involved for learning data scientist or for becoming data scientist. Okay, so you should be very good with Python programming or you should be very good with R programming. Any of these any of these two programming, anything works. Okay, so you can be either good with Python or can be with R, but my personal inclination is towards Python. Then you should be good with Excel. You should be good with databases like SQL, NoSQL. My again personal recommendation is go for SQL if you are entering into the field of data science and analytics. Okay, then you should be good with any kind of visualization tool, whether it is Tableau or it is Power BI. Then maths. Now comes the important part. What do we mean by maths when we call data science? Now in math you should be good with statistics, probability, hypothesis, linear algebra, these kind of cool and interesting topics in maths. Then you should be good with machine learning. Now there are various kind of different algorithms which are there in machine learning. You can focus initially on you can say let's say clustering, linear regression, logistic regression, these kind of things, which is more inclined towards classical machine learning, and that's pretty much combines the data science stack. So summarizing this entire stack, you should be good with Python, you should be good with Excel, SQL, any database tool like Tableau or Power BI, then your statistics, basically maths, and then machine learning. So this is my recommendation and bucket list for you to go for an entry level data science kind of a role in this particular industry. Okay, so now let us understand what are the key differences between both of these things, full stack development and data scientist. So basically, if you are a person who is pretty much inclined towards developing these softwares or building some robust application, you should go for full stack development. इन शॉर्ट वो इंसान जो बंदे को जिसका इंटरेस्ट है उसको वेब डेवलपमेंट करना है या फिर उसको एक ऐप डेवलपमेंट करना है, उसको एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट करना है, ही शुड गो फॉर फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ समवन हु इज मोर इंटरेस्ट हु बेसिकली एक्साइट्स टुवर्ड्स डेटा, जिसको डेटा देखना पसंद है, जिसको उसके साथ प्ले करना पसंद है, जिसको उसके साथ मैनिपुलेशन करना पसंद है एंड उसके बाद एक एनालाइज प्रेजेंट करना पसंद है, कैन गो फॉर डेटा साइंटिस्ट रोल. Trust me, both of them are good. It totally depends on your choice and what you have to pick. So in short, what you have to pick, answer comes on the my previous discussion which we were having. If you are good and if you are nerdy towards building the applications, go for full stack web development. If you are someone who fantasize with the help of a data, with visualization, with charts, with building machine learning models, go for data science, who is more inclined towards business perspective. Okay, now let us talk about what are the various kind of jobs which are available in the industry. Trust me, any company, starting from your FAANG companies like your Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, these kind of top companies, to your mid-age startups and unicorns like your Flipkart, your Swiggy, Zomato, Apple, any kind of these kind of companies, right? So these all companies are hiring for both of these roles, for full stack development as well and for data scientist as well. ओके, सो अब डिस्कस करते हैं कि डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सैलरीज क्या है फॉर फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट एंड डेटा साइंटिस्ट रोल. फॉर फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट रोल, पीपल हु आर हैविंग 0 to 2 years kind of experience can expect a salary range between 3 LPA to 12 LPA. Now, for data scientists, people who are having experience of 0 to 2 years kind of a range in experience, they can expect the salary between 4 LPA to 10 LPA. So that's the typical salary range for both full stack development and data scientist. Trust me on this, दोनों जॉब रोल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, दोनों में जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड करेंटली बोथ ऑफ दी सेक्टर्स आर इन ट्रेंड. So you can pick any one of them based on your interest and your requirements. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope it helps.